What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, JOBY, aka I'm just doing this review that I picked up a couple of days ago. The GorillaPod, the JOBY GorillaPod. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's really it. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video and a review for my. I bought this for my camera, for my Canon EOS M100. So it's really. And I just got this a couple days ago, so I haven't opened it or anything. I got it on sale. So it was for $60, I believe. And it comes with what is it called? It comes with an included phone mount. So to be longer on your phone mount as well. So this is how it looks like. Oh, this plastic stuff around it. I mean, it's strong. Good grip. Hold it. My first time. So my other camera tripod, it wasn't strong enough. It wasn't. I really wanted this because I read the reviews on these online, and this will help because my other tripod, every time I would like hold it, it would just be holding down. It wasn't strong to hold this capacity. So yeah. So yeah, that's really it. Let's see how this. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Strong enough. But fix this. So these. Yeah, this is how it is. See. Yeah, hold it. So downwards, backwards. So I don't have my other tripod around me. I think I put it on the back. But yeah, you can do a lot of stuff with this. This is how it looks like. It's like, yeah, this is just really a quick video. I mean, the review and unboxing this. There's gonna be more review videos, unboxing videos, cameras, phones, gaming, anything you need. Sneaker reviews as well. Picked up some new kicks that just released this weekend. Watch out for that for the whole fam. It's gonna be coming soon. Once I ordered online too. It'll come a couple of days. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give away every 100 subs. Peace out. Take care. And this is the phone mount as well. I'm not gonna open that because I don't think I'm gonna use one for right now. Only when I'm relying on my phone or something like that. But that's not really. Yeah, something like that. But I think that's. But yeah, I think you guys should buy this tripod, camera tripod. It's sturdy, durable, it's strong too. But I would buy it. But you guys, so I was going to give it a try. If you don't like it, then you can return it back. But it's on sale right now for I think $50, $60. I don't know, but the original price was $79. If I remember, but I'll put the link in the description down below. But yeah, this is a good tripod compared to the other one I ordered as Amazon. The next video I'm gonna compare that one to this one so you guys can see the difference. see why I changed that tripod. But yeah.